Imagine waking up each morning knowing your creative digital design are earning substantial revenue without the need to worry about shifting physical products. This is the advantage of selling digital products on Etsy, which has enabled shop owners like this to earn thousands and even millions of dollars simply by selling basic digital printables on this platform. However, entering this niche is competitive and can be difficult for new sellers to replicate this success. But the solution is to target soft niches, and that's why in this video I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating an AI digital product that will sell fast on Etsy. And because I believe in supporting potential sellers like you, I'll provide you an exclusive access to over 100 prompts to kickstart your Etsy business. So without wasting time, let's get straight to the point. I noticed a store that had generated a lot of sales selling only vintage digital products. And with the numbers of reviews, this looked like a potential niche to go into. But before we get carried away by the numbers, it's better to confirm the competition level of this niche to avoid competing with over a million products. To do this, I head over to the search bar and input the name of the keyword. Unfortunately, I realized Etsy no longer showed the exact number of a product available in a niche. However, the solution to this is to use an external analyzer tool like Alora. Alora allows you to analyze the shop, conduct product research to identify listings with potential sales, and offer a keyword research option to find popular top searching keywords. Now, we input vintage into the keyword research option, and the results show that the competition level is on the high side. However, this doesn't mean that we can't still make sales in this niche, because in this case, we are targeting sub niches. A free way to do this is to head back to our vintage design search results and look for a product with a bestseller tag on it, just like this product called Botanical Junk Journal, and in this case the sub niche is Junk Journal and the sub niche for Junk Journal is Botanical. And in Alora, you notice that as we narrow down the niches, the competition level drops, showing that selling in a low competition niche will make your product stand a chance of being seen faster if you start selling it now. But before crafting any digital product for Etsy, it's essential to evaluate this product to determine if it's the opportune moment to sell. Currently, this product has generated 2 sales in the last 24 hours, and with the numbers of reviews, I know that this product is selling well. Now, if you look into the store that is selling this product, you notice it's making a lot of sales selling this type of vintage designs. And in Alora, I can see that this store has made over $85,000 in total revenue and over $1,000 in monthly revenue. Moving below, I can see each listing in this store generate a significant amount of money from this product. Another fast and free way to check if this product has demand is by going to the review section of this product and change the sort by to most recent. With this, you can check to see if these reviews were from recent customers. After getting all the positive signs about this product, the next step is to create the design. And if you think it's complicated to generate this type of images, here's a simple trick. I initially go to the name description of this product, which I'll use to create a prompt that will give similar results. And I keep my prompt simple by describing the customization of the prompt, subject, and style, at least not to complicate things for the image generation AI. And I could get more variation from this prompt by using ChatGPT to create more variation from the prompt I provided and instructing it on how it should structure the prompt. And as always, ChatGPT didn't disappoint. And whenever I am dealing with junk journal design, I prefer using Canva AI as it always generates better results for this type of design prompt. And speaking of prompts, I have been able to put together more than 100 prompts on my Patreon for anyone who is interested in starting a similar business on Etsy. The link will be in the description. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Jean and Valerie for their support. Now, back to the design. To use Canva AI, I initially created an A4 size. Then, I head over to the app section and I choose Magic Media as the AI. Once I pasted a prompt, I leave the style as none since our prompt has its own style. And I change the aspect ratio to portrait. Finally, I hit generate. After a couple of generations, I was happy with this result. I later scaled the design to fit the canvas, then exported it as either PNG or JPEG. But you're not done yet, because the final result will be pixelated when printed. So the solution is to upscale it using an external platform like Vectorizer or Remini for this. Now, here's a crucial tip on how to make your product visible to more customers by using the same tag as your competitor. To do this, go to Alora's Shop Analyzer features and paste the name of the shop that is selling that product. Now search for the product among these listings and select it. Then scroll down and copy the tag using that product. In this way, you have a high chance of being seen beside one of these products that are selling well. Finally, I hope I was able to show a potential product that has a high chance of selling well. Remember, consistency is the key to success on Etsy. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.